Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve high memory or disk usage issue with the desktop Windows Manager. Let's fix that issue guys. For that thing, go to search menu and type screen SREEN screensaver SAVER. Open it, change screensaver. You just need to change this screensaver to none and apply and OK. After that, the next thing, go to search menu and type perform PRFORM perform recommended maintenance tasks automatically. Click open. You just need to click on advanced and repair, apply repair automatically. Click run. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problems guys. Try troubleshooting as an administrator. Click on it and close the troubleshooters. Let's move on to the next step guys. Go to CMD, search menu and type CMD, and you just need to click on run as administrator over here and click yes. Now you need to type here sfc space slash scannow sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, verification need to get 100% guys. This 1% need to get 100%. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. You should good to go guys. After that, hopefully that can able to resolve your problems. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.